So hi everyone, and in this video we're going to see that how to read user input and get the output on the PowerShell. So in the bash shell, or we say in the Linux, we use a read command. Okay, so we will see somewhat same command, similar command for PowerShell in this video. So for getting an user output, user input, or say prompt user input on the PowerShell, we will use read host command. Okay, so we will going to store the user input in a variable which is called day. Okay, and we will use command read host. Okay, enter the day. Okay, done. We can say that prompt by using prompt flag prompt enter the day. Okay, done. So we will write what is the day. Saturday. Now we had taken the user input in the form of day one. So the user input was stored, or say has stored in the day one variable. Okay, so now if we want to get the day one variable output, so we will use write host command and then mention your variable. Okay, then host. Okay, now let's say you you had enter day one as. Okay, so you can see that we are getting a custom message. Okay, so we can use read host to read user input, and we can use write host to write the user input on the PowerShell console. So in this way we can use read and write host command. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.